I'd like to pay tribute in honour of Carmen Beckford, a truly inspirational black woman whose faith and self-belief were instrumental in developing race relations in Great Britain. Carmen Beckford was born in St. Thomas, Jamaica, on December the 21st, 1928. I wonder if people imagined back then that this new life's achievements would be so great. After leaving Jamaica for Great Britain at the age of 17, Carmen Beckford settled in Kent in pursuit of her dream. Carmen Beckford's dream of a career in nursing became a reality because of Carmen Beckford's work ethic, dedication and tenacity. In 1965, Carmen Beckford moved to Downend in Bristol to work as a midwife, continuing on a journey of self-development that would be her calling in life. Later that year, Carmen Beckford became Bristol's first race relations officer and an executive member of the Commonwealth Coordinated Committee. As a founding elder, Carmen Beckford was committed to improving the lives and opportunities of people regardless of their ethnicity. Amongst these many appointments, Carmen Beckford set up and ran the Bristol West Indian dance troupe. Amazing, beautiful, elegant, strong, funny and fierce, she was superwoman to me, recalls one of the group. In 1968, St. Paul's Festival was created, and Carmen Beckford was in charge of the entertainment. This event still goes on today, delivering unparalleled cultural interaction and social development. Carmen Beckford faced many challenges from within and outside the black community, while working towards breaking down racial barriers and for better cultural unity. Carmen Beckford wasn't one to turn away in the face of adversity. Carmen Beckford faced it head on, composed and eloquently. Due to Carmen Beckford standing firm in the face of much racial tension and racial abuse, Carmen Beckford was able to help people who it was written in the script should always lose, creating opportunities that would have otherwise been out of reach, which enabled people to live, work, learn, grow and teach. Through perseverance, single-mindedness and self-motivation, Carmen Beckford's achievements were recognised for the nation. In 1982, Carmen Beckford received an MBE, an honour of the greatest order, from the ruling system that when it was established was set up to ignore her. Carmen Beckford was a leader, teacher, scholar and social activist that reminds me of Angela Davis, but less militant, more of a pacifist, fighting against injustice, racial hatred and for people's civil rights. They are modern-day heroes, the equivalent of medieval knights. Carmen Beckford shined a light so bright that the darkness had to lift. Coupled with her faith in God and self-belief, this was her greatest gift.